Yo, this is your boy Tennessee Boss, and I'm here to bring you a first ever pack opening. I have got three sets. One contains 3 packs, one contains another 3, and I got the Topi Coco box, who contains 3. So I'm opening up 9 packs today. So first we're gonna open up the Toy Tyranitar one. We're gonna open up 1 pack. What we got? Well, if I can get the pack opening. Alright. I've got Machop, Fletchling, Alolan Vulpix, Gothita, Chansey, Absol, Pangoro, Energy, Hakamo O. I'm pretty sure that's how you pronounce it. I'm not sure. I'm not familiar with the Gen 7. Whimsicott, Vanillish, and then this is a QR code. Let's go to pack number 2. First pack didn't have a GX card. Hopefully I got a pack that has one. Petzl, Helioptile, I guess that's how you pronounce it. Tentacool, Stuffle, Alolan Sandshrew. Uh-oh. We got a Goomy. I think it's hollow rare. Whiscash, Energy, a trainer card, Alter's Paradise, Conservation Error, another trainer, Hala, and Swoodo. So far, no GX. Hopefully, I got 9 packs here to open. Hopefully, there'll be one in it. 3rd pack out of this first section. This one that came out easy. The other 2 wanted to be a button. Gotha, Chansey, Petzl, Helioptile, Tentacool, sorry, Rescue, Stretcher, it's hollow rare, Orchano, Energy, Altar of the Moon, Gliscor, and Brooklyn Hill. Alright, next we're going to go on to the next one. It contains 3 packs. Still, No GX yet. Here's the card in the box. The Vikavolt. Oh, we're gonna go on to pack number 4. Hope this one contains GX card. You can already tell I got some good ones. We have Salandit, I believe. Mudbari. Vanilla Light. A Gallagher. Litwick. Man, it's weird looking Pokemon with our candle. A hollow rare Phantom. Uh-oh, we got another one. Chandelure. And we got a Fairy Energy, it looks like. Another Rescue Stretcher. A Kamala. And a Garcerita. So far, 4 packs. No GX yet. We're gonna go on to pack number 5. Well, if I get the pack open, I can show you what I got. Alolan Vulpix. Pancham. Gothita. Another Candle, Litwick. Fletchington. Hollow Rare Castform. Trevenant. A Grass Energy. Uh-oh. A Galley. Holla. And Helloin Graveler. That's a good looking Graveler, I like that. Pack number 6. We got a Clefairy, a Tentacle, another Castform, Gothita, Patrat. Uh-oh. A Gothitelle. I think I got all the forms of this one, I believe. Talonflame. Energy. Slowbro. Slowbro, Energy Wrestler, and Machoke. So far, 6 packs, no GX cards. Let's hopefully one of these packs in here contains it. Let's get this box open. Let's find out. They don't got him first. As if you're wondering why I'm throwing things on the floor, I have a trash can right here. Throw the stuff away, so I'm not a trash person. Tommy Coco or Tapu Koko. How do you say it? Don't know. Alright. Pack number 7. Oh, this is a Steam Sins pack. I thought it was Guardians of the Rising. Let's see what's inside. We got a clip. Looks like 2 nuts, 2 bolts. Mantine. Shellless. Shellos. A Muriel. It's a fairy type. Quite catchy. Driftloon. Uh-oh. Burgemite. Seems to be a nice type. Yanmega. Another trainer. Here, Acclaim. I had the first one. That was the first one in the pack. It was like a bunch of gears. And then a claw fossil and Norse. Alright. 6 packs, no GX. Oh. We're going to open up another Guardians of the Rising Sun and Moon pack. Heliptotile. Pincertil. Another chance. I think I got 3 of them right there. Gothina. Alolan Vulpix. Gaily. A hollow rare Gaily. I have another one. It's just a common. It's not a hollow rare. Orchino. Water Energy. Choice Band. Altar of the Moon. And Machoke. Sorry guys, I had to fix my screen. I think it was 9th and last final pack. Sun and Moon, Guardians of the Rising. Fant Turnip. Helotile. Beldum. Tentacle. Clefairy. Hollow Stuffle. Pangoro. Grass Energy. Altar of the Sun. A low end grabber makes 2 in my low. Well, that's it today, guys. Sorry, no GX card. Maybe next time in episode 2. Keep on the lookout. Please like this video. Please subscribe to this video. There'll be more coming to you.